Here at BX Trail Falls, and just wanted to show you what we're up to today, my son and I. We got nothing to do today, so we thought we'd come down here and just enjoy ourselves. We got literally no deadlines, no time limits, so we're just enjoying ourselves. It's over there someplace, foraging. This place isn't this beautiful? Learning to exist in the moment. Learning to not think about anything but right now. Made myself a nice walking stick today. Yes. There it is there. Still got some work to do on it, but everything in time. I thought you guys like to watch, and maybe this will make you feel a little bit better watching this as well.